Hi guys, welcome to our channel Max So Craft. Today I'm gonna show you how to hack Subway Surfers on your computer. You just have to download Subway Surfers and an app known as Cheat Engine. You can download it from the link given in the description. Now just we have to open the Subway Surfers and the Cheat Engine. Don't open the Subway Surfers in the full screen. After opening the Subway Surfers, you have to open the Cheat Engine. After opening Cheat Engine, you have to click on the button below the File tab and choose Subway Surfers and open. Click on Open. Now, after opening Subway Surfers, you have to see the value you have and click it on the value box in Cheat Engine. Now you have to click on First Scan. After clicking on First Scan, you have to go back to Subway Surfers and earn some more money. After earning, you will die. You should die. After seeing the increase, you have to type it in the value box in Cheat Engine. Then you have to click on Next Scan. One or more values will be shown. You have to select that and drag it to the active description. Then you have to click on that. Then you have to change the value to what value you need. Then click on OK button. Then we have to go back to Subway Surfers and play once more time. Then we have to die. We'll get our money automatically, as you can see. So bye guys. We have given the link in the description to download Cheat Engine and Subway Surfers. If you like this video, please subscribe.